Hello, friends and traders. Real quickly, want to show you what you're up against when you're trading against algorithms. And algorithms are pretty much 80 to 85% of the market makers out there today. So the way in which computers trade is different from the way people trade. I'm going to bring over a stock here. This is SI. The play here is a short squeeze. This is literally 70% short the float. So right now I've been long SI for a few days now, and I just added to some yesterday. But the point being is I want to draw this blue line right there. It's been drawn, and I want to just raise it up just a little bit. And you can see if we zoom in what happened this morning. All right, the algorithms know that that is the point of pain from yesterday's low, and there are probably many stops that have been included here. Good till canceled, get me out stops. And so the algorithms have a funny way of coming down and prying and praying and tapping to see what they can get to knock over down there. And when they're unsuccessful, they will reverse. And I think that's what's happening here in SI at the moment. You know, if we take a look at the daily chart as well, zoom out, we can see it's had a nice break from the downtrend. A lot of movement up, but it's really trying to hold on to this 50-day SMA. It's a long day to go on the trading day today, but by the end of the day, I would really like to see SI back up above 18, which again, the whole point of this video is to remind people it's very difficult to sit through these, but oftentimes if you sell down here a tick below the yesterday's low, the obvious level for stop losses, the algorithms will pick on you. So tread carefully and make your decisions wisely. I waited for the action to see exactly what was going to happen there before I decided to stay in and not get out. All right, good luck to you.